The BMW XM by Larte Design is a remarkable example of automotive customization, transforming the BMW M series into a visually stunning and exclusive SUV. The German tuning house Larte Design has enhanced the BMW XM, particularly focusing on its exterior design with an all-carbon fiber body kit. This high-performance SUV is powered by a 4.4-liter twin-charged hybrid V8 engine, delivering a formidable 738 horsepower and 738 pound-foot of torque. Despite its impressive performance capabilities, where it can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds, Larte Design's modifications are primarily aesthetic. The comprehensive body kit includes 17 custom-crafted carbon fiber components. Key external features include a specially designed hood with a Larte logo, which enhances the lines from the BMW's signature kidney grille. Additionally, the kit offers a two-component front splitter and a carbon fiber bumper, further accentuating the XM's sporty look. Along the sides, the vehicle's architecture is augmented with additional trim pieces, sill covers, and fender extensions, creating a more impressive silhouette. The rear of the car sees significant changes with a tailor-made diffuser, unique dual brake lights, carbon fiber tips for the dual exhaust outlets, and two spoilers, one on the trunk lid and another part of the body kit. Larte Design's package includes the option of 23-inch custom wheels, which can be adjusted in size and color upon request. The entire carbon fiber body setup is priced at approximately €42,000, with the custom wheels available for an additional cost. For those seeking a more affordable alternative, Larte offers a composite material based on basalt fiber, which is about 30% cheaper than the carbon fiber option. This upgrade transforms the BMW XM into a distinctive and luxurious vehicle, combining the engineering excellence of BMW with the bespoke design language of Larte Design.